Yo, what is going on, everyone? Welcome back. I have not posted in a week, but we're back now. And we got some more cars coming to Southwest Florida. I know a recent update just released. Pretty nice cars, actually, really nice cars. But yeah, we got some new vehicles coming soon, as we can see right here. Lots of Porsches. But yeah, let's start from the bottom. All right, we got a 2013 Ford Mustang GT convertible. This car actually looks really nice. Love the color on this car, looks amazing. But yeah, pretty nice. And then we got a 2002 Nissan, I don't know how to say that, but an S15. Pretty nice. I think this car would be really nice for a build. If this car was lowered, new color, maybe a bright color, and then some rims, some new rims, this car would look amazing. And we got a 2021 Porsche 718 Boxster T. This car is also convertible. Looks really nice. I don't know why it's taking so long to load. It's taking a while to load. Let's just not wait. But yeah, as we can see from the picture right here, it actually looks really nice. It's a convertible two-seater. It actually looks really nice. And we got a 2021 Porsche 718 Cayman GT4. Pretty nice also. Taking a while to load too, I don't know why. But yeah, I love that spoiler in the back. It looks really nice. Nice wing. And then we got these rims, which also look really nice. Yeah, this car overall looks really nice. I like the details on the headlights and everything. This car looks really nice. And we got a 2021 Porsche 718 Cayman GTS 4.0. This car also looks really cool. I love the rims on this car. This car lowered would look really nice, I think. But yeah, really nice. And then we got a 2019 Porsche 911 Gt3 Rs. Really excited for this car. This car looks amazing. Love the carbon fiber hood, carbon fiber on the roof and stuff. Pretty nice. Overall, just a really nice car. I love that wing in the back too. And we got a 2019 Porsche 911 GT3. This car also looks amazing. Just love the way these cars look. It looks really nice. And then we got a 2022 Porsche 911 GT3. This car, the rims look really nice. The rims match the color of the car here, and this car looks amazing. Like, I really love this color on the car. Looks really nice. And we got another 2022 Porsche 911 GT3 Touring. This car looks really nice. I actually really like the front bumper here if it loads in. There we go. I actually really like the front of this car. It looks really nice. It looks really neat. Just really nice. And then we got a 2022 Porsche 911 Targa 4S. This car is convertible and actually looks really cool right here. But yeah, pretty nice cars coming to Southwest Florida. A lot of Porsches. But yeah, pretty excited for the 911s here. Pretty nice. But yeah, that is pretty much it for this video, guys. Hope you guys all enjoyed. Make sure to leave a like, subscribe, turn on post notifications so you guys never miss an upload. And I will see you guys in the next video. Goodbye.